Achieving an amazing experience with anal sex requires open communication, trust, and preparation between partners. Here are some tips to help. 1. Communication. Talk with your partner openly about boundaries, desires, and comfort levels. Consent and mutual understanding are essential. 2. Relaxation and trust. Being physically and mentally relaxed is key. Take time to build trust and ensure both partners feel comfortable. 3. Lubrication. Use a generous amount of lube. The anus doesn't naturally lubricate, so a water-based or silicone-based lubricant is crucial for comfort. 4. Go slow. Start gently with fingers or smaller toys before moving on to penetration. This allows the muscles to adjust and helps reduce discomfort. 5. Positioning. Try different positions that allow for comfort and control, such as spooning or lying on your back with legs supported. Positions that allow the receiving partner to control the pace can be helpful. 6. Start small. Begin with smaller toys or fingers before moving to anything larger. This allows the body to gradually adapt. 7. Use of condoms. For cleanliness and protection against infections, condoms are recommended, even during anal sex. 8. Foreplay and stimulation. Don't skip other types of stimulation. For many people, anal sex can feel more enjoyable when combined with clitoral, vaginal, or penile stimulation. 9. Aftercare. Post-sex care is important. Ensure both partners feel supported and comfortable after the experience. Always prioritize mutual respect, patience, and communication throughout the process to make it a pleasurable experience for both parties.